Hi everybody, Richard, Love Brewing. Just really wanted to run through our latest products that we've got. They've been something that you've been after for ages. We've had real problems trying to get it all sorted, but we've now managed to at least get the packaging right so that we're in a situation where the carriers will actually take the glass from us. So we have all sorts of new bottles available. If you're spirit making, we have two. We've got the 375 Polo, which it's a lovely little bottle. It makes a really nice presentation product, and it comes complete with the stopper. So you've got a nice stopper that goes in the top, and as I say, 375. 375 is half a full-size bottle. We've also got the 750, which again has the stopper in the top, and these take a whole bottle of your favourite liqueur or spirit or what have you. I don't think these are going to hang around very long, because I think we have seen a real demand for them in the first couple of days. So please don't leave it too long. We will get more supplies in, but it's sort of like a 6 to 8 week lead time. So if we run out, there could be quite a little delay. So especially if you want your stuff for Christmas on your spirits and liqueurs, these are great for it. We've also on the beer side got the 500ml clear and the 500ml brown bottles. So these ones for all your beer, all your favourite needs. They're the ones with the flip top lids. So as you can see, they just literally flip into place and seal. You don't have to worry about putting them on with a capper or anything like that. They just go on by hand. In each box, you've got the bottles and then you've got the pack. And the bottles are dead easy. They literally just, the two lugs just slide into two pre-drilled holes here, and then you're able to, as I say, fit them and seal them in place. So you've got two types. You've got the clear and the brown. Some people like to mix them. A lot of people just like brown and they don't want any clear, but a lot of people like to have a clear so that they can see whether the beer is clearing or not. Or the lager or cider or whatever it is you're actually putting into the bottles. So just give it a little thought as to which one's best for you. As I say, they're both 500ml. The swing top browns work out at $13.45 and the clear is $13.95. So the brown's just 50p cheaper, and that's for 12 bottles. We've also got the wine bottles that we're doing now, and again 75cl on these. So you've got the green and you've got the clear ones. So again, both bottles here available for you. The clear $12.95 and the green at $12.95. That's based on buying 12. And as I say, they all come in their own packaging. And yeah, we're looking for good things from the bottles. I think it's going to really help. And I think it just helps to finish the ranges off, especially on the spirits and the liqueurs. To have a really nice bottle makes all the difference, as it does on the beers. So speak soon.